In this video I will show you two simple methods to check laptop model in Windows PC. For this, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There type MS Info 32 and click on OK button. In the window that opens, look for System Model and System Manufacturer, which shows your laptop brand and model. My laptop is Asus VivoBook 15K513. This is thin and light laptop from Asus. Now let's look same information using command line. For this, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There type CMD and click on OK button. This will open command prompt. There type WMICCS product get name and press enter. The model name will appear directly below the command. You can get same information using DXDiag. Open DXDiag in Run dialog box and click on OK. Then under System, look for System Model and you will get their laptop model number. In this way we can find laptop model number in Windows PC. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.